For the time being, the SEC has approved the closest thing to a US Bitcoin ETF that may be purchased. A newly launched exchange-traded fund may be the closest investors can come to a US Bitcoin ETF, at least for the time being. Volt Equities ETF has been approved by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. It will track companies that hold a majority of their net assets in Bitcoin or derive a majority of their profit or revenue from Bitcoin-related activities such as mining, lending, or manufacturing mining equipment, according to Tad Pak, the fund's CEO. He refers to these businesses as Bitcoin revolutionaries and is considering MicroStrategy, Marathon Digital Holdings, and Bitfarms for the actively managed fund. On October 5, Volt Crypto Industry Revolution and Technology ETF was approved and will trade under the ticker BTCR. New York Times Dealbook broke the news first. Pak recently told Insider that he intends to list on the New York Stock Exchange within the next 3 weeks. "I'm a firm believer in Bitcoin and was ecstatic about the prospect of founding an ETF to profit from the approaching Bitcoin revolution," he told Insider. "With options, we can gain exposure to Bitcoin without necessarily keeping the coin. This devious investment technique is necessary since the SEC, under Chairman Gary Gensler, has been delaying the approval of Bitcoin ETFs. Over 24 are currently in limbo, due to concerns about market manipulation. The US has yet to authorize one, though Gensler has stated that he is more receptive to a Bitcoin futures ETF. However, Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are now available in Canada. As a result, the Volt ETF will not make direct Bitcoin investments. Rather than that, it intends to invest at least 80% of its net assets in Bitcoin Revolution firms, options, and exchange-traded funds that track those companies. The remainder will be invested in broad equity markets to help mitigate the portfolio's risk. Additionally, the ETF will consider indicators such as the stock-to-flow model, which compares the current supply of Bitcoin to the annual flow of new Bitcoin created. Pak stated that this is the first Bitcoin-specific ETF, as opposed to others that invest in a broader variety of digital assets. "It may seem insignificant, but no one has ever done that," he told Insider. The fund is Volt Equities' 5th ETF. However, Pak stated that it was far and by the most difficult, noting repeated back and forth with the SEC. While the exact reason for the repeated delays is unknown, Pak, a retail technology investor, speculated that the fund's initial moniker was Volt Bitcoin Revolution ETF. "It was quite difficult to get this passed, but we're extremely grateful that they did," he noted. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.